This week, let's talk about something that's very important, and that is pre-scheduling your patients. First of all, you want to make sure that you give a long-term recommendation. Whatever that is to you is fine. In my mind, you should be recommending between 4 and 6 months worth of care, because obviously getting people better is not something that can happen instantly, like perhaps a pill. It's like braces on your teeth. You have to think about it in that length of time. Braces on your teeth takes 2 to 3 years. Chiropractic care adjusting, well, I'll let you determine that. But the point is you want to give a longer-term recommendation, not a short-term symptomatic one. Now, if you give a longer-term recommendation, let's say you give one over 4.5 to 5 months, and then as you're into the care, you shorten it up and put them to once or twice a week or once a month earlier. Just shorten the recommendation. The patient becomes excited. They leave your office happy. They refer. But if you give a short recommendation over 2 to 3 weeks and try and lengthen it over 2 to 3 months, then it's a negative. They're both the same way. The one is far more effective as far as patient satisfaction and referrals. So number one, make sure you give a longer term recommendation. Whatever that number is totally up to you. The second point is you want to make sure that you're always pre-scheduling your visits. Get a multiple appointment card and pre-schedule the visits, at least 12 visits at a time. You can get a 12-visit multiple appointment card. Now notice I did not say that you're only recommending 12 visits. You're recommending longer, but you're putting on a card 12 visits at a time. When they hit the 11th visit, then have your front desk person give them another 12-visit card. So you have to coordinate that with your front desk person and your appointment book. So if you put the visits on a multiple appointment card, patients will schedule everything in their life around your visit. But if you don't put it on a card and you go from time to time to time, they will schedule you around everything else going on in their life. They will get off schedule, and pretty soon they won't even be coming in your office. If they do, it'll be sporadic. So you want to make sure you put those visits on a multiple appointment card and then place it into your computer or your appointment book.